In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account in Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Go to the taskbar at the bottom, then click on Search, then search for Settings. Then it will bring you here, so you need to go to Accounts, then sign in with the Microsoft account instead. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So because we want to create a new Microsoft account, you are not going to sign in, but you are going to click on Create One. So click on Create One. Then you can enter the email that you want to use to create the Microsoft account. So you can use any email that is active. So I'm going to use my email here. Then click on Next. Then enter the password you would like to use with your account. So you are going to create a new password. Then click on Next. Then enter first name and last name. So I'm going to do so. Then Next. Then choose your country. Then enter a birthday. Then click Next. Then a code will be sent to this email which you are using to create Microsoft account. So go to the email and then you will come and write the code here. Then I would like information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services. So if you want to receive this information, you will leave this box checked. But if you do not want them, you just uncheck the box and then click Next. Then solve the puzzle. Then sign in into this computer using your Microsoft account. So enter your Windows password here. I'm going to do so. Then click on Next. So one more step, use Windows LOS to finish setting up your Microsoft account on this device. So click on Next. Then enter your Windows PIN or password. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.